So today I'll be showing you how to insert a microSD card into your Redmi Note 15 Pro. Now you can insert that microSD card into the SIM tray. Now the SIM tray is at the bottom of the phone, and it's actually a 2 nano SIM card dual SIM phone, so it takes 2 physical SIM cards. But if you want to use, or if you want to insert a microSD card, you have to go with 1 SIM card. So you're choosing between dual SIM setup, or rather a dual SIM physical SIM setup, and 1 SIM card and 1 microSD card. So you can see SIM 1 is sitting pretty right there, but for SIM 2, if I remove SIM 2 at the bottom here, now I can place my microSD card. So you just place it like this with the contacts facing up. Make sure you just push it into the tray so that it sits snug. In fact, the best way to do it is to place it like this, and then you kind of just slide it in and then push this other side, okay? Like that, okay? Until it snaps in place. Now you have your microSD card and 1 SIM card on the upper side, and then you want to hold it like this. So the SD card goes to the bottom and the SIM card stays up, facing up, and then you just slide your SIM tray back into the phone. Simple as that. So now when you unlock your phone, it should detect the microSD card. There you go. So you can see the microSD card has been detected, and that is basically how to insert a microSD card into your Redmi Note 15 Pro. I hope that answers your question. Thanks for watching and good luck.